loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Tishay and it's so nice to internet meet you. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and giving me some of your time today. I truly appreciate it. By the title of this video, you guys can see that I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday simple makeup routine. It's very quick, but it's very cute and it'll have you looking very much still presentable. And I'm not a fan of wearing a lot of makeup every day. I usually only wear it, to be honest, when I'm going out with friends, just because I don't have the effort to do it every day and I don't care to do it. But yeah, if you're looking for a new routine, a new look that's easy and quick, maybe this will work for you if you like it. Also, quick disclaimer is that I won't be talking throughout this video just because this look is so simple and I don't feel like I need to go in depth with any of the steps that I'm doing, just because I'm sure most of you watching this video already do these steps, most of them if you wear makeup often. So yeah, and I will also leave the product names down below if you want to try them out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this look.
That you did me, and you're doing me still. I can't help but to wonder, is your love for me real? Now you I know you're naive, but you know that you got me sugar under your sleeve. But the way that you did me, and you're doing me still, I can't help but to wonder, is your love for me real?
Alright, and that brings this video to an end. If you guys did enjoy, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you click that subscribe button. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.